Get beside me. Get beside me. Good girl. Alright. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be playing more Rec Room. And today I am joined with more people, along with my sexy man Blake.
Okay, Haley. Let's go. Haley, come on.
No.
It's time to be lesbians.
Okay, we're also here with
Come
Faith,
on, Haley.
Ducky, and Ghost. Haley. And
Haley.
best
Come
of
here,
all,
Haley.
we have Billy from BFA. Billy. And
What's
don't
up?
mind what that is. And today, we're gonna be fighting.
We're gonna have a fun time.
Corner now. Get in the fucking corner.
What?
Get in the corner.
Gotta go in the
Here, let's
corner.
party up. Party up.
Alright.
There we go. There you go.
So the title isn't clickbait. I actually hurt myself here. It's not audible, but you'll see soon.
You're gonna be the archer or some shit?
I will be the best archer.
You should probably take a sword also, Blaze.
Hold on, wait.
Cause you can put Shen.
I need to go grab my charger real quick.
Yeah.
You be the best archer.
Really, brother?
Guess you have to fucking. Behind us.
Oh yeah, there's a crossbow, Blaze. Blaze, it's a crossbow.
There's no point in taking the red sword. It changes to the blue one after you exit level. It's fucking stupid.
Now this
Alright,
is
well-
the big map.
Bro.
And this is where I hurt myself. If you want to know how, then it's because my ceiling fan was on. So, and when I was trying to attack it, when it was that high, I hit my ceiling fan and I started to bleed a lot. But yeah.
Jax, watch out.
Ah! Ah! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! I'll be right back.
Ready to start.
Okay. Blaze, Jackson will be right back. I think he hurt himself.
And there you have it. That's how I hurt my hand.